If Opera is failing to update, don't worry. This usually happens when the built-in updater gets stuck or when local installation files become corrupted. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix for the Opera update error, and I'll also show you how to clean up the common causes so you can get Opera updating properly again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, close your browser completely. Make sure Opera is not running in the background because if the app is still open, the update can fail before it even starts. Now, open your browser and go to the official Opera FTP server. This is where Opera stores its installer files, and we're going to use it to download the latest full installer manually. Once the page loads, look for the highest version number folder available. Click into that folder, then open the Win folder. Inside there, download the full installer file. This is important because using the full installer can repair damaged update components and refresh the files that the automatic updater may be struggling with. After the download finishes, open the file and run it. The installer should automatically detect your existing Opera installation path and update it safely without removing your settings. If Opera is already open and you can access the browser, there's another thing you should check. Look near the address bar for the VPN badge and switch it off. If you also have a desktop VPN app installed, such as NordVPN or ExpressVPN, turn that off as well. VPN connections can sometimes interfere with Opera's update servers and cause the update to fail, so disabling them temporarily can help the update complete successfully. If the problem still continues, try updating manually from inside Opera. Open the menu, then click Update and Recovery. This section is designed to help Opera check for updates and repair some update-related issues. If the built-in updater is still stuck, we'll clean up any background processes that may be blocking it. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. In the process list, look for anything labeled Opera Installer, Opera Auto Update.exe, or Setup. If you see any of those running in the background, end those tasks. Sometimes a leftover process from a previous failed update can prevent the new update from starting properly, so clearing them out is a very important step. Next, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder, where broken update data can sometimes be stored. Select all the files in that folder and delete them. Don't worry. These are temporary files, and clearing them can help remove corrupted update leftovers that may be causing the error. Once that's done, go back and try the Opera update again. At this point, either the manual installer or the built-in updater should have a much better chance of working correctly. In many cases, this process fixes the update error completely and restores Opera to normal. So to recap, close Opera fully, download the latest installer from the official Opera FTP server, run the installer to repair the installation, turn off VPN if needed, check Update and Recovery, end any stuck Opera updater processes in Task Manager, and clear the temp folder to remove broken update files. If this video helped you fix the Opera update error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.